Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are testing out another Facebook Made Me Buy It. Of course it blew up my Facebook feed and I had to check it out. So if you're interested in this Flawless foundation brush with the diamond handle that's kind of all over Instagram and Facebook, stay tuned and let's do this. Okay, so I am in my kitchen. This is where I normally put on my makeup because it has windows all around me and it has really, really great natural lighting. So I thought I would come in here and try this out. I'm just out of the shower and so my hair is still wet, but I put on this makeup that I'm trying out with this, and I'm gonna take you back about 15 minutes and show you how it goes on and tell you what I think about it. So if you're interested in finding out if I like this, just keep watching. Okay, this is what we're looking at. It is the Facebook Made Me Buy It Flawless Foundation Brush that is blowing up my Facebook feed. And it comes with this little carrying case. I have not used it. It has little things here to open it up. And here it is. Super, super dense, super soft. And I got mine off of Amazon, not off of the Facebook ad, and there was maybe 4 or 5 people who had said that when they got it, this part of it had just come off from the glue. Mine is not. It's totally fine, and it did have, 4.5 stars over lots of reviews, so there's just a couple that were faulty, I guess. This one isn't. So if you saw my video last week, I had been testing out the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better, and I'm gonna be using that again with this brush. I actually do like this with the sponge. I think somebody had said don't use the sponge because it's too liquidy, but I didn't have a problem with it. I also did read that this, the first couple of times, soaks up a little bit extra foundation, but then it doesn't after that. I don't know how that would change, but also this is clogged. So, I'm just gonna squirt it out here and then put it on my face and then do it. Okay, so I've just got out a little bit here. I think what I'm gonna do is just put some on and see how it goes. Okay, going in, got my mirror down here. Is this better than a sponge? It does seem to blend everything in nicely. Is that shedding? No, that's my hair. It's supposed to give like an airbrushed look. I mean, yeah, it looks pretty good. I don't know if this is a really good brush if you like foundation brushes. I don't normally like foundation brushes because I feel like they get streaky and I get like brush marks. Definitely not getting any of those at all. And if you didn't know already, I do really like this foundation. It looks really good. So I am liking it so far. Let's do the other side and see what happens. I don't really feel like it's soaking up any foundation really. I mean, the tiniest bit maybe, but it's, I don't know, I don't really see it soaking up a ton. It's kind of an awkward shape for me, I feel like. Like I can't seem to figure out how to hold it the best way, but not a big deal. The nose is really the telltale. If it can get on the nose without getting streaky, without getting polka dotted, without looking all funks, then generally it's a good thing. And I find that I usually need to use a sponge for that. And it looks okay. I think it looks better with a sponge on the nose. You can see it's just slightly patchy, not streaky or anything, but. So, okay, first impressions are, I got this, I think it was like $10, but then there was a 5% coupon, so it ended up being like $8.90 something, and then tax, $10. But it was on Prime, it got here in one day actually, and if you like foundation brushes, I think you'll like this. It really didn't soak up hardly anything on here. And I thought I was gonna need to use a lot more, and I still have. This was, I think, 3 pumps because mine's a little bit clogged, but there's so much extra foundation here, and I don't think that I need any more. So, yeah, if you like foundation brushes, I think you're gonna like this. I didn't see any pieces coming off of it, and has a little cute carrying case, doesn't take up a lot of space. I mean, I can see why people like this. So if you like foundation brushes, you might want to check this out because it's inexpensive. The only thing I don't like is it doesn't really have a handle. I don't really like that, but other than that, on a first impression, I like this. Oh, there's my donkey. Cozy. Hi, Cozy. Okay, that's it. I don't think it's anything revolutionary, but it is a good foundation brush. I think it does a good job, and for someone who doesn't like foundation brushes that much, someone who's basically a sponge kind of gal, it's pretty good. So it's definitely worth checking out. It's affordable. I'll link it in the description box below if you want to check it out off Amazon. Again, like I said, mine came in one day. So, and it came fine. There was nothing wrong with it. It works great. I don't see any fallout, and it doesn't seem to soak up a ton of foundation. I had a lot left over. So good for that. Definitely uses less foundation than my sponge does, especially when using a liquidy foundation like this one. So if you did not see my video on this one, check this out. This is a really good one, and I don't like IT Cosmetics as far as their foundations go, the CC creams and the powders and all that. Not a fan. This one, pretty good. So I'll link that in the eye up here as well if you're interested in seeing that. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell for more videos like this. I do all sorts of reviews and all sorts of Facebook and Instagram made me buy it type products. So be sure and leave a comment below if there's a product that you have seen on Facebook or Instagram and are interested in seeing a review on, and I'll have a look at that. Otherwise, I hope you're having a great day. Stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next video.